When it comes to maintaining your home, one of the most crucial aspects often overlooked is window replacement. Windows are not just about letting in light and fresh air, they also play a significant role in energy efficiency, home security, and curb appeal. If you're a homeowner in Gaithersburg, Maryland, and are considering replacing your windows, understanding what to look for in a window replacement service is essential. Here's what you need to know before hiring the best window replacement services in Gaithersburg. Why choose window replacement? Before diving into the details of choosing the right service, it's important to understand why replacing your windows might be necessary. Over time, windows can become worn out, drafty, and less effective at insulating your home. This can lead to higher energy bills, increased wear and tear on your HVAC system, and a decrease in the overall comfort of your living space. Furthermore, outdated or damaged windows can lower your home's curb appeal, which could impact its resale value. Newer window technologies, such as double or triple glazed windows, can drastically improve insulation, reduce noise, and keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Additionally, modern windows are designed to provide enhanced security features, giving you peace of mind that your home is protected. What to look for in a window replacement service? When selecting a window replacement company in Gaithersburg, it's essential to ensure they offer top-notch service. Below are a few key factors to consider. Experience and reputation. Experience matters when it comes to window replacement. A reputable company should have years of experience in the industry and a solid track record of customer satisfaction. Look for online reviews, testimonials, and even ask for referrals from neighbors or friends in Gaithersburg. You want to work with professionals who understand the nuances of different window types, installation techniques, and the specific needs of homes in your area. Variety of window options. Every home is unique, and so are the needs of its windows. A reliable window replacement company will offer a wide variety of window styles and materials to choose from, including wood, vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum. Popular styles include double-hung, casement, sliding, and bay windows. Ensure that the company you're considering can provide personalized recommendations based on your home's design, your budget, and your energy efficiency goals. Energy efficiency. One of the biggest reasons homeowners replace their windows is to improve energy efficiency. Look for window replacement services that offer Energy Star rated windows, which are designed to minimize heat loss in winter and reduce solar heat gain in summer. Proper installation also plays a critical role in energy efficiency, so ensure that the company has expertise in both the product and the installation process. Warranty and service guarantees. A trusted window replacement service should stand behind their work. Always ask about the warranty on both the windows and the installation. Many reputable companies offer warranties on the products they install, ensuring that you are covered in case of any issues. Be sure to ask for details on the warranty terms, including what is covered, the duration, and any specific conditions. Licensing and insurance. before hiring a window replacement service. Ensure that the company is fully licensed and insured. A reputable company will be able to provide proof of their credentials. Licensing ensures that the company adheres to local building codes and regulations, while insurance protects you from any liabilities in the event of an accident or damage during the installation process. Cost transparency. When it comes to pricing, transparency is key. A reliable window replacement company will provide a clear, written estimate that includes all costs associated with the project, including labor, materials, and any additional fees. Beware of companies that offer unusually low prices, as this could be a red flag for subpar materials or hidden costs. Conclusion. Window replacement is a significant investment, but the right service can make a world of difference in enhancing your home's aesthetics, comfort, and energy efficiency. By choosing a reputable window replacement service in Gaithersburg, you'll ensure that the job is done right the first time. Keep in mind the importance of experience, a variety of window options, energy efficiency, warranties, and proper licensing when making your decision. With these factors in mind, you'll be well on your way to finding the best window replacement service to suit your needs.